Hey, good morning everyone! So, padong mi karon sa Citadines to have our breakfast buffet with the ERG Pride Plus. See you there! Hey, good morning everyone! So, it's a Friday and we're having a breakfast buffet. We have Irish, good morning! And we have Mamshi, good morning! So, morning siya ang mga food for breakfast. Let me share. So, naa sila soup. And going to the eggs. And again, morning siya ang mga dishes sa kaninga section lang. And then going across, nasa sila yung food nga laing. So si Imari, good morning. Hello. So yun. Sa lain na side, nasa disha. Tapos Gigi, good morning.
Uy, baka i-post mo kami ha. Ang dami namin ginawa. Okay,
So kanin siya ang sa lain na section. Hi, MJ.
Hello, let's eat.
And nasa sila yung rice. Kung gano'n lang mga rice. Ayun. And on the other side, we have pastries and cakes. And we have Rain. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello. Why nagsalad-salad lang man ka? Asa man mo ang...
I want to start line.
Or nauna na ang food. So, nasa like pastries. Ayun. And mga milk drinks and cereal. Yun lang. Ay coffee dito free. So, hi natin mga friends there. Hi, ma'am. Ayun. Z.
Hello.
Good morning.